children, I'm K. Emlata from GK School Science teacher. Today I'm going to take a class for the third standard and the topic is our helpers. Our helpers from the heading is if you can know helper is some person helping for you, that is known as a helpers. So many people in your surrounding or the society helping to you. For that only I'm going to teach. Some example persons are right from the board. First see that who are the persons are helping for us. First one, teacher and policeman, doctor, postman, farmer, cobbler, barber, electrician, tailor, watchman, etc. So many people you can say. One by one I am going to explain how they are helping for us. First one, teacher. You all know the teacher. Okay, I am a teacher. What I am doing for you? I am giving you knowledge how we have to behave in the society and how we have to read and write in the future. That's the teachers giving the knowledge to you. All teachers are giving so many things to you, know. You have to improve yourself. So the teacher's work is giving a improvement to you. And then policeman, all know the policeman. What the policeman will do? He will save our country from the thief. If any persons miss anything, where you have to go? You go to the policeman and report it. Whatever thing is lost, they will found it and give it to you. That was duty done by the policeman. The next one, doctor. Very important person, no? Now the so many diseases are spreading. That disease, everything is cured by the doctors only. Whatever cough, fever, whatever disease is happen, who will cure it? Doctor only. And next, postman. What the postman will do? He deliver the letters. Okay. You all see the postman now? Yes. What having with the hands? They will having the bunch of letters. They deliver the letters. Farmer. What does the farmer help will do? They will produce the food items. Fruits, vegetables, kernels, so many green leaves, so many varieties which are giving for eat and live. That all done by the farmers. Next one, cobbler. Who is the cobbler? You are wearing the shoes, chappals, so many things, no? Who will stitching and giving for you? That person cobbler only. Suppose in the going in the street, your shoe or chappal, everything is filled. Who will repair it? Cobbler only do it. And then barber. Who is the barber? Your boy is having lot of hair. 1 month or 2 months over means every hair is growing. You have to shape it and cut it, no? Your face is looking so straight. So who will done it? Barber only cut the hairs for you. And then electrician. Electrician means what? The person who giving the connections. Tube light, fan, TV, AC, fridge, whatever electronic items, that all prepared by the electrician. They will give the connections to the home and factory, school, so many things. Electrician only used to give the current. Tailor. Tailor means what? To cut the clothes and give the shape of the clothes to wear. Uniform means one shape. You are going for function, whatever things you are asking, the tailor only stitch and give. Your mommy wearing the saree, blouse, they will stitch and give. Your sisters means frock, chudis, so many types. Your boys means pant and shirt. So many variety of clothes will stitched by the tailor. He is one of the important person. And then watchman. Watchman, all know the watchman, no? Every place having the watchman. Home also having the watchman. In school also having a watchman. Factories, office, all the places having a watchman. They only check it who is coming inside and who is going outside. You all know about the watchman, no? Your school also having a watchman. You go and call, no? Watchman uncle, watchman tata. So many words you are using. So these are the persons day to day helping us. Once again I repeat, name the person who are helping for you. What's the first one? Teacher, policeman, doctor, postman, farmer, cobbler, barber, electrician, tailor and watchman. Understand, children? These are so much of people helping your day-to-day life. Understand it? Thank you. Now the activity time for you. I write it here. Name our helpers. I am giving there some 4 things to you. You have to read it and you have to write the answer. Which person is helping for that? See the first one. Repair our shoes. Who will repair our shoes? cobbler. The right answer is C-O-B-B-L-E-R, cobbler. Next, second one. Repairs water tank. Who repairs a water tank? Yes, plumber. L-U-M-B-E-R, plumber. Finish it up. Next, come here. Treats sick person. Who will treat the sick person? Yes, doctor. What is spelling for a doctor? D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Repairs vehicles. Who will repair the vehicles? Yes, mechanic. Write the answer in the dash. Mechanic. Mechanic only repairs the vehicles. Understand that? Repairs our shoes, cobbler. Repairs water tank, plumber. Treats sick people, doctor. Repairs vehicle, mechanic. The second activity is matching. Now, matching. I giving one side the helper's name, on other side what they will do. See the first one, teacher. Teacher what will do? Teach. Where is the answer here? Yes, here. So you join this line. You finished right? Yes. Next one, tailor. What's a tailor work? It will switch the cloths. See where is the cloth here? Here's the tail options. So you mark it here. Postman. What the policeman will do? Deliver the letters. See where it is letter? Here. Yes, put the line like this. Farmer. What's a farmer will do? They give the food items to crops, whatever. See the where it is a crop here? Yes, here the crop. Drawing like this. And policeman. What the policeman will do? He catch the thief. Where is the thief? The last one is here. You finish it. Teacher, teach, tailor, clothes, postman, letter, farmer, crops, and policeman, thieves. Understand that? Thank you, children.